Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unhide a conversation in Google Chat on Gmail. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to chat.google.com. Once you're on the page, log in using your Google account credentials. This will give you access to all your chat conversations and contacts. After logging in, you'll land on your main Google Chat interface. Direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll notice a search bar. This search feature is your key to finding any conversation, whether it's currently visible or hidden from your chat list. Now, in this search bar, type in the name of the person whose conversation you want to unhide. You can also search using their email address if you prefer. The search function is quite flexible and will help you locate the specific conversation you're looking for, even if it's been hidden from your regular chat view. Once you enter the name or email, Google Chat will display the search results below the search bar. You should see the person's name or profile appear in these results. This confirms that the system has found the conversation you're trying to access. Go ahead and click on the person's name or profile from the search results. This is the crucial step that triggers the unhiding process. By clicking on their name, you're essentially telling Google Chat that you want to actively engage with this conversation again. After you click on it, the conversation will automatically reappear on the left side of your screen under the Direct Messages section. This means the conversation has been successfully unhidden and will now show up in your regular chat list, just like any other active conversation. You'll be able to see the message history and continue chatting as normal. And that's it. You've successfully unhidden a conversation in Google Chat, and it's now back in your direct messages where you can easily access it anytime. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.